Stop. If you're thinking about buying PuzzleLabs AI, there's something you need to know first. This isn't another AI book tool. It's a verified puzzle book publishing system that builds addictive murder mystery puzzle books readers can't stop buying, and it does it in minutes. PuzzleLabs AI taps into the hottest format on Amazon right now: murder mystery puzzle books. Instead of competing in saturated niches like word searches, you can publish books in a format readers are obsessed with, and proven bestsellers are already dominating the charts. And if you grab PuzzleLabs AI through my link below this video, you'll unlock my exclusive bonus package worth $599, free. What is PuzzleLabs AI? It's a cloud-based studio that builds entire puzzle books end-to-end: suspects, clues, solutions, interiors and covers. Every puzzle is proven solvable by code, so you never risk unsolvable content or bad reviews. You pick the theme, puzzle types and trim size, and the platform generates a KDP-ready book with a professional cover. Benefits: why people are interested. Hot niche: murder mystery puzzle books are trending on Amazon. Automation: generate books in minutes, not weeks. Verified puzzles: every puzzle checked for one correct solution. KDP ready: interiors, covers and answer keys formatted automatically. Beginner friendly: no writing, design or coding required. Inside, PuzzleLabs AI 5 puzzle engines: murder mystery, word search, Sudoku, crossword, word scramble, verified solvable puzzles, KDP ready interiors with answer keys, AI generated covers with auto spine sizing, export in PDF, EPUB or Word, step-by-step video walkthrough and full commercial license. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros: automation. Generates puzzles, formats interiors, designs covers and exports in one platform. Verification system: every puzzle is code checked for a valid solution. Multiple puzzle types: flexibility to build a broader catalog. Commercial license: use for personal publishing or client work. Beginner training: step-by-step walkthrough makes KDP publishing easier. Cons: no guaranteed sales. Success still depends on niche, keywords and marketing. Content review: books should be checked before publishing. Upgrades needed: extra puzzle engines and advanced features require optional upgrades. Results: what to expect. Expect to publish puzzle books faster and safer. Beginners: launch books without design or coding skills. Self-publishers: build catalogs in high-demand niches. Agencies: offer puzzle book creation services to clients. Your results depend on effort, niche selection and marketing strategy. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab PuzzleLabs AI through the link below. Bonus 1: Puzzle Niche Vault. Value: $299, 50 proven puzzle book niches and themes ready to publish. Bonus 2: KDP Launch Blueprint. Value: $300, step-by-step playbook for titles, categories, keywords and pricing to get your book seen. Total bonus value: $599, yours free when you get PuzzleLabs AI through my link today. So, is PuzzleLabs AI worth it? If you want to escape saturated niches and publish in a format readers are actually buying, then yes, PuzzleLabs AI is absolutely worth it. It's not just software, it's a complete publishing system. Click the first link in the description to secure PuzzleLabs AI plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.